If your laundry room has always felt like a bit of a compromise, either you're crammed into a tight space or you're dealing with a stacked pair that's awkward to use, then what LG has built with the WashTower might genuinely change how you think about doing laundry at home. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know before you decide whether this machine belongs in your home. What is the LG WashTower? So what exactly is the LG WashTower? At its core, it's a single-unit front-load laundry system. Washer on the bottom, dryer on top. But the key word here is single unit. This isn't a standard stacked pair where two separate machines are bolted together. The entire thing is designed from the ground up as one cohesive appliance. And that distinction matters more than you might think. Because it's one unit, it takes up roughly half the floor space of a side-by-side setup, which immediately opens up room for a folding table, a utility sink, extra storage, or whatever your laundry room has been missing. And because it's engineered as a complete system, rather than two machines sharing a wall, everything, from the cabinetry to the control panel, feels intentional and refined. Speaking of the control panel, let's talk about the center control design, because this is honestly one of the most practical things LG got right here. If you've ever tried to use a stacked washer and dryer, where the dryer controls are above eye level, you know how inconvenient that is. The WashTower puts both the washer and dryer controls right in the middle of the unit, at a comfortable, reachable height. It's a full-touch electronic panel with an LED display, and it's clean and modern looking without being confusing. Once you use it, going back to anything else feels like a step backward. Now let's dig into capacity, because this is a big deal for a machine that saves you floor space. The washer comes in at 4.5 cubic feet, and the dryer at 7.4 cubic feet. Both are ultra large. That means you're not trading convenience for capacity. You can handle bigger loads, get through laundry in fewer cycles, and actually save time over the course of a week. For a family household, that's a meaningful difference in your daily routine. AI and smart features. The intelligence built into this machine is also worth highlighting. LG's AIDD technology, that's AI Direct Drive, analyzes the weight and softness of your fabric and then automatically selects the right wash motions and settings. And it goes a step further. The washer can actually auto-select a compatible drying cycle for you, so you're not standing there second-guessing settings. The machine genuinely does the thinking. Pair that with TurboWash 360, which uses multiple water jets to clean thoroughly in less time. And you've got a washer that's both smart and fast. For drying, AI Sensor Dry constantly monitors moisture levels throughout the cycle, so clothes don't come out over-dried or still damp. TurboSteam helps reduce wrinkles and refresh fabrics without a full wash, which is incredibly handy for items that just need a quick touch-up. There are a few other features that deserve a mention because they address real pain points. The Allergiene wash cycle is AAFA certified. It uses steam to reduce common household allergens from your laundry, which matters a lot for families with allergy concerns. The Never Rust stainless steel tub is designed to avoid the chips and scratches that porcelain or plastic tubs can develop over time. Scratches that can actually snag and damage your fabrics. The TrueBalance anti-vibration system keeps even large, uneven loads stable and quiet, which is essential if your laundry room is on the main floor or near a bedroom. And if you're someone who can't always get to the dryer the moment it finishes, the Wrinkle Care option tumbles the load periodically for up to 3 hours after the cycle ends, keeping clothes from setting into wrinkles while you're busy. There's also a speed wash cycle for when you need something freshened up fast. We're talking 15 minutes for small, lightly soiled loads. Smart Home, efficiency, and warranty. On the smart home side, this connects to the ThinQ app, giving you remote control and monitoring from your phone. Plus ThinQ Care alerts that proactively let you know when something needs attention. FlowSense also monitors your duct system and lint filter, alerting you before buildup becomes a real problem. And the whole unit is ENERGY STAR certified, so it's designed to be efficient with both water and electricity. All of that is backed by LG's 10-year limited warranty on the direct drive motor, a motor that runs with fewer moving parts, which means less noise, less vibration, and a longer lifespan. Pros and cons. Now let's be honest about the considerations. The WashTower is a premium appliance, and the price reflects that. If you're on a tighter budget, This isn't the entry-level option. Because it's a single integrated unit, you also won't have the flexibility to replace just the washer or just the dryer down the road. The two are designed to function together as a system. And if you prefer a traditional top-load washer experience, the front-load design here will be an adjustment. For most households, though, these are minor trade-offs against everything this machine delivers. Who is this for? So who is the LG WashTower built for? It's a natural fit for homeowners with smaller laundry rooms who don't want to sacrifice capacity or features. It's ideal for families who want fewer loads, less effort, and smarter technology doing the work for them. It suits anyone who values a clean, modern aesthetic in their home. And it's a strong choice for people with allergy concerns, or anyone who's ever been frustrated by poorly placed controls, loud cycles, or wrinkled clothes left sitting in the dryer too long. If you've been waiting to upgrade your laundry setup with something that genuinely does more while taking up less space, the LG WashTower is worth serious consideration. Drop your questions in the comments below. If you're trying to decide between this and another model, or if you want to know more about a specific feature, I'm happy to help. If this review was useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Abode for more honest, practical home appliance reviews. We'll see you in the next one.